Good morning, children. Welcome to the EVS class. Yes, children. Now, today we are going to begin with chapter 11 Clothes We Wear. है ना? Now, what are the three basic things which human being needs? That is food, clothes, and shelter. Food we have learned. We have learned about the shelter. Now, today let us speak about the clothes. Clothes is a very important part, we can say a factor, or it is an important aspect in a human life, है ना. We wear clothes to cover our body, and as we have learned since KG2 that it protect us from cold, wind, rain, insect bite, extreme heat, then protect us from the ultraviolet rays. You know what are ultraviolet rays? Now can you see a light this above me? Can you see the light? The rays is it's not a rays, actually it's a light, है ना. So the same way the sunlight sends us the rays of the sunlight reaches us, है ना. And what is reaching through sunlight? We getting vitamin D, that is the ultraviolet rays, children, है ना. Ultraviolet rays. Now we should not take direct ultraviolet rays because it is dangerous for the skin. We can have a skin cancer. The morning hours time is now, especially this is a winter time now, so the morning hours when you get a sunlight through your window, we should have a cross ventilation. We should have a proper windows and doors, proper ventilation, so that the proper light and the air enters our home, है ना. And why? Because the sunlight gives us vitamin D, which you have already learned. Let me repeat this. Yes, the sunlight gives us the vitamin D, which is very important for our bones. You drink milk. Yes, you drink milk every day. Now your bone is going to absorb the milk only when you have vitamin D inside your body. Your body should absorb the vitamin D, and who will give you vitamin D? It's only sunlight. So imagine this life without sunlight. We cannot imagine. There will be no life if there will be no sunlight. Children? So please remember. So clothes play a very important role, and clothes make us to look smart, है ना. And we should there are different type of clothes. So let us begin with the chapter, children. Clothes we wear. Okay. Now see, clothes we wear, है ना. Can you see the different types of the clothes, है ना. The clothes for the tiny tots, for the small children, है ना. Then the clothes for the teenagers when you grow little, you grow little bigger, है ना. When you go to the 9th and 10th and 11th 12th standard, है ना, it will call you are called as a teenager. So that time you have a different choice. Now you're dependent on your mama, है ना. बट स्टिल मामा आस्क यू, बेटा आपको ये पसंद है कि व्हेन यू गो फॉर द शॉपिंग, है ना. एंड देन यू सेलेक्ट द क्लोथ्स विच यू लाइक, बेटा, है ना. एंड व्हेन यू गो टू द शॉप, don't you see a different type of clothes, children? And especially for the girls, the colorful clothes are there, है ना. And for boys also they are there, no doubt about it. But yes, comparatively the girls have the more colorful and they have more choice for the selection, है ना. So this is what we are going to learn. It's all about the clothes, the dresses which we wear. Clothes play a very important role in our life, beta. They say that the clothes shows the character of a person also. That is what this way. Your choice, the way you dress up and all. Okay. Then now let us begin with the next one, that is importance of clothes. Yes, the clothes protect us from the heat of the sun. It also protect us from the dust, from the rain, from the cold, from insect bite, children. They also make us look smart and feel good, isn't it, children? And clothes help us to identify the job of a person also. Suppose if you see a person wearing a white coat, you'll be able to immediately will you be able to recognize, yes, he or she is a doctor, है ना. And if you see a policeman, yes, you'll be able to, the way they dress up, you'll be able to make that he is a policeman, है ना. That is what the clothes play a very important, that is what I wanted to say, that it plays a very important role in our life, isn't it? And yes, they have a different dress codes, है ना. In a different profession we say job, है ना. Like doctor, policeman, है ना. The army people, the defense force people who stand in the border and they fight for, they protect us the country, that is the BSF, the border security force people, है ना. Every day we should pray for them beta, because of them we are comfortable and we are at ease, we don't have to worry about, है ना. They are standing on the border, है ना, and they are 24 hours they're doing their duty beta. Please pray for them. Please pray for them beta, for our soldiers. Next, now the different types of clothes. Yes, look at the small children. There are so many different types of clothes. See, look how the colorful clothes they are wearing over here, है ना. Isn't it, children? Then the teenagers, the grown up, and the ladies and all. See, so many kinds of different type of clothes we see in our daily life, है. They have a special clothes when you go for the special occasion for wedding or birthday party. Special clothes we wear, the second clothes we wear, है. Chalo. Let us begin with another one. Yes, and the clothes, not it will not it protects from the insect bite. It protects us from the heat. It protects us from the heat, right? It protects us from the cold. It protects us from the rain. Let me write. It protects us from the heat. It protects us from the cold. It protects us from the rain. है ना? Yes. So clothes protect us from the heat, cold and rain. That are the main three factors. Now the people in they wear different clothes and the different profession. I think I should remove this, then only you'll be able to read this. People in different clothes. See, here it is. Businessman, doctor, waitress, fireman. Yes, the fire people, you must have seen their costume. You must have seen the air hostess, the pilot, है ना. The defense forces, the hairstyler, he is a designer, he is a policeman, है ना. She is an engineer. In foreign country they wear a pant, shirt and coat they wear. She is a baker. You can be able to make out the baker's dress with the help of the cap, the type of cap they wear. Here he is a dentist, that is a doctor. See the white color coat, है ना. Okay, so we have a different type of clothes and it depends upon the profession also beta. Okay, now we'll talk about the winter clothing. Yes. Now which season is going on? Isn't it a winter? But the Nagpur is not so chilled, children. है ना. Nagpur is not so cold. है ना. It's a moderate temperature. Moderate means what beta? Moderate means not too cold and not too hot also. Moderates. Okay, okay. And it doesn't rain much. It's not too hot. It's not too cold beta. That is called as a moderate temperature. Okay. So you know that if you would have been a school, if you would have been called you in the school in the morning hours, when you sit in the auto, in the van, you come to school, it's cool, है ना. Mama tells you to wear sweater, है ना. Then some children, they feel cold, so they wear gloves, है ना. Then you wear a cap, isn't it, children? Then you wear shoes and socks. Yes, shoes and socks protect you from cold. Yes, it gives you the warmness. So, and especially the children have a good immunity, है ना, compared to the elders, so they don't need to wear so much. But still, some children, those who are asthmatic, those who are very prone for cough and cold, yes, they have to wear. You have to take care, है ना. So winter clothing, everybody knows that what all things we wear. We can for so many types of different jackets are being coming up nowadays. Jackets, sweaters, pullovers, glow. Then yes, jeans also protect you. It's a thick cloth, better jeans. It protects you from the cold, no doubt, because you cannot wear a woolen pajama and all when you go out for the official work and all. So yes, you need to wear a jeans and all. And the girls, they wear slacks during the cold weather. You get a note from the circular from the school that you are allowed, and once the winter gets over, then you have been told not to wear, है ना. Okay. Now we'll talk about the summer. How many of you like? No, see, I like a winter season. How many of you like winter season? I think many of you must be liking the winter season, isn't it, children? है ना. But some like summer because you like to be in the water, in the swimming pool, you like to eat ice creams and all. And but nowadays you're not able to because you may get a cough and cold. And yes, especially for the coronavirus and all, you should protect yourself. And in fact, we are going for hot water and the tea and the coffee and the kara which mama makes by putting all spices and all, because it attacks the this what I say, the food, this you the your neck portion, where you have a cough and cold. This is the place where it attacks, and from here only it aggravates, and then it spreads in inside the lungs and all. And that is how the case, it spoils the case, it aggravates the cases, and especially for the elders, it's a dangerous for them. The children have a good immunity, so you don't worry, but still you take care of cough and cold better. Okay, now summer wear, we'll talk about the clothes. Summer wear, the light cotton clothes we wear. The cotton keeps gives us the coolness, do avoid wearing a synthetic dress during the when summer season. Even mama must be telling you, even now you must, because the Nagpur is hot. Nagpur weather is very hot. So usually for the 20 for all the 12 months, like the whole year round, try to avoid the synthetic clothes better. During the winter also try to have a cotton clothes because they are safe for your skin. You won't be having any skin diseases also. So what to do we wear in summer season? We wear cotton clothes, isn't it? This we are going to learn in the next video about the types of the clothes we wear in the different season. I'm going to elaborate too much on it. So just now, just introduction I'm giving you. Okay, these are the clothes which we wear in the summer season. Then comes the rainy season. And very few people like rainy season because everywhere there's a puddle, there's a water around, and mosquitoes problems, and the mosquitoes and the flies and all. And then everybody tells you, please don't eat the outside food. I know you love pani puris and bales and all. And during that season, we are more prone for having a stomach infection, children, because the flies from the different places, they come and settle on the hawkers. Hawkers means, what are the hawkers? The people who sell the pav bhajis and on the telas and all, the folk arts, and which you have, I told you in that nickel in trouble. And in that chapter also I've told you about the hand cart and all. On that they sell, so it is dangerous. So please avoid that, children. The home food is the best food. Yes, sometime you feel like, but winter season it's okay, but rainy season you should avoid better. It's more prone for infection better. So rainy season, what do we use? Umbrella, raincoat, gumboots, all these things we are going to learn in the next video also. So these are the winter season clothes which we wear. So please remember, children, the clothing, as we say clothes, or we say attire, okay, is item which is worn on the body. Clothes can insulate against the cold and hot conditions. They can provide a hygienic barrier. Hygienic barrier means they can protect us. Barrier means they protect us from the heat, cold, rain, scarce, insect bites. Barrier means protect करता है वो, एक safeguard जैसा रहता है. Keeping the infectious and the toxic material away from the body. See, this is how the clothes are important to us. Clothing also provides a protection from the ultraviolet radiation. From where do we get the ultraviolet radiation? We get from the sun. The sun gives us the ultraviolet radiation. Direct radiation, we should not directly see the sun also. That's all for today.